We have reviewed many power banks on this channel, however by far this one we are looking at today must be the most special, as it not only charges your phone with a cable or wirelessly, it also has room to hold your cards in. Before we take a closer look, as always, if you want to pick this up or know more about it, click the first link in the description box below. If you find the video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to watch more reviews. Okay, let's get on with the video. Let's take a look around this power bank. So on the front we have the magnetic wireless charging pad, which gives an output of 15 watts. On the bottom here we have the power button, and we have our light indicators, which each light gives 25%. So it would go 25, 50, 75, and then obviously 100. We have our USB-C input output port, which our input would be 15 watts and our output gives off up to 20 watts. Have a look on the back here. We have our card holder, which we would slot the card into. And I just wanted to ask, have you ever been in a situation where you're on a FaceTime call and your battery is about to die and you can't put your phone vertically and charge it? How irritating. But worry less, my friends. VEGER have solved this issue and added a 90-degree phone mount on the back. So put that down and stand it. As you can see, it stands vertically. It also can stand horizontally too. On the side here we have some information. Pause if you like to read. This power bank does have a 5000 milliamp hour battery and you can locate it with Apple Find My. So I just wanted to show you this power bank in use. So let's start off with the card holder. So I have my card here, and to put this in, all you need to do is line it up and just push it in basically. And as you can see, it's fully in. And that's quite secure that no one can get it out, or you literally can't get the card out whatsoever. To get the card out though, you just need to flip this phone mount back and push up with your thumb and it does come back out, as I've just demonstrated. Now let's test the magnetic wireless charging pad. Let's see how strong the magnet is. So if I do turn this power bank on really quickly, as you can see it's turned on, get my phone here, as you can see pretty much instantly it's come on charge. So now let's just give it a little shake. Wow, this has a really strong magnet. Look at that. Not even sliding, it's just staying in one position. Now that is a strong magnet. Let's plug the phone on charge. So I have my USB-C to lightning cable here. Quite a long cable. So if I just plug it in to there like so, plug the other end into my phone. Let's see, there we go, it started charging. I love the nice compact size. It fits nicely in the pocket and will fit nicely in any bag. You know, even them little bags women carry around and when they're going out, the ones what look like they only fit some tissues or something in. A big well done to VEGER for creating such a great product. It charges my phone really quickly, be that wired or wireless, and I love how ergonomic it is. You know, how it holds my cards and even the phone mount. Remember, link in the description if you want to pick this up. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.